Hi guys, welcome back to Do It New YouTube channels. Today we are covering here the how to explore the hilly region or background of the soils. So we can look here the hill shade practical session. So are you enjoying this practical? So do not forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. We call that Do It New. Press the bell icon so I continuously provide you the YouTube tutorials updates. So just click on the new layout view, my template, blank map. Okay, as your choice. You can also try to use in your previous project. Just click on layers, add data, go to the particular directory. Most important, I clear that one things we need of the DEM data. So DEM data is just exploring our hilly regions on the layer wise. So just add here the DEM data. This is a DEM data. I am adding here a base map also, so you clear that which place having that data. This imagery, and it is required some little bit times, so take a patience. Just adding here the base map. You can look here the exact which location I doing the practical on that. You can look here, it is a volcano, active volcano. So I am downloading this DEM data. Show you exact which locations it is its volcano are existing near. This is Italy land, and here some lands are available here, active volcano. So our objective is hill shades, how to extract that in place. Just look here. We just change the color ramp, adding here multispectral color ramp. So exactly in center between, you can look here, it is a very active and hot portion in between the blue regions. So these regions are normal hot, and it is becoming dry, some little bit hot. It is normal place. So our focus to extract the hilly regions. Just click on type here, go to the search button, searching here hill shade, searching. You can look here the three options. Click on that. First options, hill shade 3D analyst. First options, you can look here the input raster. Which input raster? Just DEM file. You add that here. 360 actually entire curve region is 362. So here by default is 350, and altitude options is a 45 angle. So just here click on OK. Required some little times, so extracting some information about that. You can look here, some message are passing, warning Z unit output graphics special reference one was okay, so no problem. So you can look here, this is exactly hilly shades regions we exploring here. So by using this hilly shade portions, you understand what is the condition of there on land. It is a flat surface, or in between having the valleys and canals. So very by using the DEM data, and so using hilly shade tools, you extracting that information. So you can also the change his RAM color. It is the RAM color. like as your choice, you can just modifying in between. So but it is this normal color ramp is give the more informations about the condition of surface. So hope you guys enjoy in this tutorials. One more practical we are done with that. Just click on, just adding here dim file. We add here the some altitude options is 35. Just mode shadow option, just click on OK. Just uncheck on that. This is exact portions of top of that area. Look on the top side. Again we are doing the another practical. Add here the dim data. Some portions is 35. No, add here the shadow mode. Both the data I will be explained to with you. Value is factor is 0. Okay, is required to 1 or 2. Just we remove that base map because it is required time to loading. You can look here in this last practical session. You can look here the 35 angle looking this, but second option is the shadow. Those place shadow are reflecting, it is looking black, and those places are by hitting the lights we are visible on that. And one more options, you can look here the 45 angles on that, and it is by default over the dim data. As your ramp you can change extracting the informations like. So hope guys you enjoy in this practical sessions, very useful to extracting the hilly regions, exactly ground situation we are extracting by using this dim. So you enjoy in this, and do not forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channels, we call that the do it new, and also press the bell icon, so I continuously give you the updation about the remote sensing tutorials and another tutorials. So thank you guys, we will meet on next tutorials. Bye.